What's up guys, it's TT Travel here. We're in the heart of Bangkok. It's a bit noisy. It's really warm right now. It's about 33 degrees. So I got my water bottle with me. I'm gonna try to get some street food here in Bangkok. I'll show you some good street food. Delicious tum-tum.
A few moments later.
It's okay, it's okay. He won. I'm just walking through the park right now. I don't really know where I am, but it's a pretty nice park. People are playing all kind of sports. There's ping pong, badminton, some martial arts. It's very nice. It's just so sweaty. It's just way too hot in this city. It's always around 30 degrees, always humid. I need to find some water, I think. Then I'm gonna go grab some pad thai. The street food vendors pretty much everywhere, so we'll find out pretty easily. We're entering the Golden Mountain Museum, also called the Wat Saket. It's a very old Buddhist temple out here in Bangkok. It's beautiful. It overlooks the city. Guys, we've made it all the way up top, the Golden Monument, the Wat Saket. I'm gonna try to be a bit quiet, not to bother anyone.